Hi, we will in this video assemble a Windex XL. We're starting by removing all of the parts from the box, the vane with its sapphire bearings and screw, the mast fitting with locking screw, nut and washer, the two index arms, port and starboard. The assembly starts by mounting the mast to the vane. Turn the screw by hand 2 full turns. Now take the index arms with its tabs. Turn them so the black surface point upwards and insert the curved ends into the slot. Once both arms are in place, tighten the nut first by hand and then tighten the screw securely using a well-fitting wrench or spanner. On the underside of the box you will find an angle indication where you can adjust the tab arms to suit the yacht windward performance. Bend the arms a little at a time until you get the desired angle. Alright, then we're ready to assemble the Windex on your mast. The easiest way to do this is by having the mast lying down. Untighten the set screw and remove the mast fitting. Insert the mast fitting into the hole of the mast and tighten the nut with considerable force using a 1/2 inch or a 13mm spanner. Then reinsert the Windex into the mast fitting. Then tighten the set screw just enough so it keeps the Windex from rotating. Now check and adjust so the 2 tab arms are lined up and pointing symmetrically aft. Now tighten the set screw firmly. The set screw will then make a mark in the shaft. This mark, which should be deepened slightly using a drill, will help you to accurately reposition your Windex during assembly next season. Let's now have a look at 2 graphics. This first shows the vane position at different apparent wind directions. This second graphic shows you how to identify a change in the parent wind angle as small as 1 degree. Windex Dingy, Windex 10, Windex 15, Windex XL and Windex Scout 50 and 90 are all members of the family of precision wind direction indicator for sailboats. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to assemble a Windex XL.